Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have created the project and we are working on the designing of the pages using the React router DOM. Now let's go to the about.jsx file. So let's design some more pages. So we have already created the components as the pages, but we haven't defined the roots yet. So if you go to the app.jsx file, and this is our app.jsx file, and here we have only one route. So let's add some more routes here and we'll see whether the routes are working or not. So for that one, what we need to do is, so here I am creating a route path is equal to, so we have the product, right, product, and we can load the element as is equal to, so product. So we will load the component product like this. That's it. So now we have created another route by name product. So that means we have a home page and also a product page. And if you go here in the home page, so we are able to load this home page, fine. And if you go to the product page, so product page is also coming. So that is nothing but this product page. So this product page is also coming. Now in this app.js, so let's try to have another one. So route path is equal to about. So we have an about also, right? About. And the element we load is the about page. Okay, and now we have also an about page. So this component should be loaded here. So we have loaded the component. Now if you try to see here about page, so we are able to get the about page. Now home page, product page, and also the about page is also loaded. So the last one what we need to do is, for example, let's say that user has typed some random page. Now when he moves here, so we need to show some message, something like the page you are requesting cannot be found. So something like that message I need to show it. So how can I show this one? So for this one what we can do is, at the bottom we need to write route path is equal to star. Star means any route other than these things. So if in none of the page doesn't matches, means then it will load this page name, page not found, and I need to load the element here. So for this one we need to create a new component that is nothing but in the pages page not found. So here I will be creating page not found dot jsx. Okay, and here we will be having export default function page not found. So this is the page we will be having, and here I will return the div the page you are requesting is not available, and we can have some smiley symbol like this. Now this is the page which I want to show. Now here some random is there, and if you try to press enter, so we are having some errors, right? So let's go to the app.js, and here we will add this page not found. Page not found. Okay, this is the page we need to edit. So we need to import it at the top also. So here you will be able to see the page you are requesting is not available. So successfully we are able to show this message also. So fine, all the time when I am trying to move from one page to another page, so manually I am typing the page name or the internal page URL in the address bar. So this is not feasible. So if you have a link, navigation link or something like that, then it will be very much easy for the user to navigate from one page to another page. So let's design this navigation page also. Normally what we'll try to do here at the top, this navigation page should be common to all the pages like home page, product page, about page, and even in the page not found also the navigation page, the navigation links should be available, so that if the user somehow he misses in the track, means so he can go back to the pages that are available in the app. So for that one what we will try to do is, we will create a new component for this one, and where we can keep it here in our pages. Here I will create a new folder components, and in this one I will create a new file page nav.jsx. okay, so this is our new component, and here I will write export default page nav. So this is our page nav, and here I will be writing return nav. So this is our nav, and in this nav, oh sorry, this should be a function, right? So function page nav, and in this nav let's say we have an UL and here I will be having an li, and here I will be having an ahref, and I will be writing slash home. Okay, this is our home page, and this should be something like product, and here I will be writing product. And the last one which we are able to all know, that one is an about. So here I will write about, and here also we will be having about. Okay, so right now, so we are having this all the page now, and we will try to add this one in our common thing. So here, so this is the layout which is common to all the routes. So now here, so whenever this app.jsx file is loaded, or otherwise this component is loaded, commonly this layout name is appearing all the places common, in all the pages it is common. And apart from that, these routes are also the appropriate route which matches the URL, it is getting loaded. So here we can use this, we can load this page now directly, right? So let's try to load this page now directly. I will try to load it here. So here I will be loading page now. So I will load it here. Now if you try to see, so at the top I am able to get this all the pages. So if I want to go to the home page, I am able to go to the home page, product page, and also the about page also we are able to move it. But if you try to observe carefully, the problem what we are getting is that every time when we are moving from one page to another page, the entire page is getting reloaded. The entire the browser is getting reloaded. So here you will be able to see a loading symbol which is able to appear at the top, and near the icon you will be able to see it. So the page is getting loaded. It should not happen it like this. Then there is no meaning of the single page application. Then there is no meaning of using this React router DOM. So for this one, what we need to do is, as we have already discussed about these things, so we need to use the link component which is available in the React router DOM. It should be imported from the React router DOM, and for this link there is no href attribute. It should be 2, and the closing also it should be link only. Okay, so here it should be link. And for this one also, what we need to do, so here we need to add the link, and here also we need to add the link. Okay, and here also we need to add the link, and here also we need to add the link, and these all the things should be 2. Okay, there is no href URL, so it should be 2. So now we have added this link and all those things. Now if you try to see here, so we are not able to see any output. As soon as when we converted these anchor links to a link component, then we are not able to see any output. Let's see in the inspect element whether we can get any errors or not. So here if you see in the console we are having some errors. So why we are getting these type of errors is, now if you try to observe carefully, this page nav is having a link component which is available in the React router DOM. So whenever you are trying to use a link or NavLink or anything, the things which are related to the React router DOM, it should be inside the browser router. Okay, it should not be outside the browser router. So whatever the components or the routes that are available inside the browser router, then only you can be able to use the components or the methods which are available in the React router DOM. So this is not the correct way. So what we need to do, let's go to the home page in the pages here in the about.nav. So here you can add in a such a way that I will use the React fragment. Okay, and for the time being what we will do is we will add the page now. Okay, so this is the page now, and it should be imported page now. Okay, the same scenario in the home page also it should be imported, and here you need to add page now. Okay, and this div also should be added inside the page now. That's it. Now let's go to the page not found also. Here also we'll use the React fragment, and I will close this one here, and here we need to add the page now. So here page now. Okay, I am adding the page now here also, and the last but not least in the product also we need to add the page now. Okay, so I am adding the page now here also. Now if you try to see here, I will be adding the page now. Okay, so now if I want to click on this one, so let's refresh this page. So here we are able to see the same output. Right now the console errors are also gone. Now if I click on this home, about, product and about, now the URL is getting changed. The URL is getting changed, and also if you try to observe, the page is not also refreshing. So this is how we will be achieving the single page. Now I want to highlight the active one. So which page is active, I am unable to understand. So here the active page, the active link should be in some red color or any other color. So for this one, what we need to use is, so we have already discussed about these all things. So for that one, we should not use the link, we should use the NavLink. So the active router, it will add a class, active class will be added to the active link. So here if I try to show you NavLink, and also here also I will use the NavLink. Okay, and here also we can use the NavLink, and at the last also you use the NavLink. Okay, and now we are in the about page, right? So if you try to see here NavLink, see a class active has been added to this one. Okay, so if you try to refresh this page, no console errors, and if you click on the product page and if you inspect the element, a class active has been added to this one. So for this class active, you can apply the CSS or anything to make this link special rather than the other links. So this is how we will be creating the navigation. So hope you understood about this concept. So what I will do is I will create a new branch and I will commit this entire code, video-122. So this is our React 122nd video. So here I am adding nav and link and NavLink, and I am committing this code. So whoever wants to refer to this project or app means, so they can go to my GitHub repository URL. The link is provided in the description below of this every video, so you can have a look at it. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.